Welcome to the series, Should I Invest or Not? This time it's about Walmart. And if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like so we can continue making more investing videos for you. We will, in this video, give you a complete, transparent review about Walmart so you can have all the knowledge you need before you make a decision about investing or not in this company. It's important that you stick to the end of the video so you get all the important information you need before you start investing in Walmart. Walmart is one of the world's largest retailers, with a market capitalization of over $400 billion. The company operates in more than 11,000 stores worldwide, including Walmart supercenters, neighborhood markets, and Sam's Club warehouse stores. Walmart also has a strong e-commerce presence, with its online sales growing rapidly in recent years. Before we go to the financial part of Walmart, you need to learn and understand a little bit about Walmart's history and who runs the company. Walmart is a retail giant that was founded in 1962 by Sam Walton in Rogers, Arkansas. Walton, who had already owned and operated several Ben Franklin variety stores, decided to open his own discount store. He believed that he could offer customers lower prices than his competitors by buying in bulk and passing the savings on to his customers. The first Walmart store opened in 1962 in Rogers, Arkansas, with the slogan, "Save money, live better." The company quickly grew, expanding to 24 stores by 1967, and by 1972, Walmart was listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Walmart continued to expand, opening stores across the United States and eventually internationally. The company also became known for its efficient supply chain and distribution systems, which helped to keep its costs low and offer customers lower prices. In the 1990s, Walmart began to face criticism from labor advocates and some communities, who argued that the company's low prices came at the expense of its employees and local businesses. Walmart was accused of paying low wages, providing limited benefits, and driving local mom-and-pop stores out of business. However, the company continued to grow, expanding into new markets and increasing its sales. In the early 2000s, Walmart faced a number of high-profile lawsuits related to employment practices, including allegations of gender discrimination and violations of labor laws. The company also faced criticism for its environmental impact and its sourcing practices. Despite these challenges, Walmart has continued to thrive and evolve. In recent years, the company is focused on expanding its e-commerce capabilities and has made a number of acquisitions and partnerships to bolster its online offerings. Walmart has also invested in new technologies, such as robotics and artificial intelligence, to improve its supply chain and enhance the customer experience. Today, Walmart's one of the world's largest retailers, with over 11,000 stores in 27 countries and a workforce of over 2 million employees. The company is still headquartered in Bentonville, Arkansas, and is led by CEO Doug McMillon. Walmart remains committed to its founding principles of offering customers low prices and a wide selection of goods, and has a significant impact on the retail landscape both in the United States and around the world. The current CEO of Walmart is Doug McMillon. He was born on October 17, 1966 in Memphis, Tennessee, and attended the University of Arkansas, where he earned a degree in business administration. McMillon joined Walmart in 1984 as an hourly summer associate in a distribution center. He continued to work for Walmart while he attended the University of Tulsa, where he earned an MBA. After completing his degree, McMillon returned to Walmart and began to work his way up through the company, holding a variety of positions in operations, merchandising, and marketing. In 2005, McMillon was named the CEO of Walmart's Sam's Club division, where he oversaw a period of strong growth and expansion. In 2009, he was promoted to lead Walmart International, where he was responsible for the company's operations in 26 countries outside of the United States. In 2014, McMillon was named the CEO of Walmart, succeeding Mike Duke. As CEO, he's continued to focus on the company's e-commerce capabilities and has overseen a number of acquisitions and partnerships to expand Walmart's online offerings. He's also emphasized the company's commitment to sustainability, setting ambitious goals related to reducing carbon emissions and increasing the use of renewable energy. McMillon is widely regarded as a thoughtful and innovative leader, and he's been recognized for his contributions to the business world. He's been named to Fortune magazine's list of the world's 50 greatest leaders, and has been recognized by the Financial Times as one of the top 20 business leaders of the future. Now, let's dive into the financial part of the review. Walmart's financial performance has been strong in recent years. In the fiscal year 2022, the company's revenue was $559.2 billion, up from $524 billion in the previous year. Net income for the year was $13.5 billion, up from $14.9 billion in the previous year. Walmart's earnings per share, EPS, for the year were $4.75, from $4.91 in the previous year. The company's operating income for the year was $22.8 billion, up from $20.4 billion in the previous year. Walmart's operating margin for the year was 4.1%, up from 3.9% in the previous year. The company's return on assets, ROA, for the year was 6.7%, up from 6.5% in the previous year. Walmart's return on equity, ROE, for the year was 19.6%, up from 18.8% in the previous year. Overall, Walmart's financial performance has been strong, with revenue and net income both increasing year over year. The company's operating margin and return on assets and equity have also improved, indicating that Walmart is making efficient use of its resources. One of the key drivers of Walmart's recent success has been its e-commerce business. In the fiscal year 2022, Walmart's e-commerce sales grew by 43%, driven by increased online shopping during the COVID-19 pandemic. The company has invested heavily in its e-commerce capabilities in recent years, including building out its online marketplace, expanding its grocery delivery and pickup services, and improving its mobile app. Walmart has also been leveraging its vast store network to support its e-commerce business. The company has rolled out omnichannel initiatives, such as allowing customers to order online and pick up in store, and using its stores as fulfillment centers for online orders. Walmart's also been using its stores as a way to drive traffic to its website, offering online-only deals and discounts. Overall, Walmart's e-commerce business is well-positioned for future growth. The company has a strong brand and a vast network of stores, which it can use to offer fast and convenient delivery options to customers. Walmart's investments in its online capabilities should help the company to continue to grow its e-commerce sales in the coming years. Walmart stock is currently trading at a price-to-earnings (PE) ratio of around 23, which is in line with the average PE ratio of the S&P 500 index. The company's price-to-sales (PS) ratio is around 0.7, which is lower than the average PS ratio of the S&P 500. Walmart's dividend yield is currently around 1.5%, which is higher than the average dividend yield of the S&P 500. The company has been steadily increasing its dividend in recent years, reflecting its strong financial performance and commitment to returning value to shareholders. Walmart's price-to-book (PB) ratio is currently around 5.5, which is higher than the average PB ratio of the S&P 500. This suggests that the market is valuing Walmart's assets at a premium compared to other companies in the index. Overall, Walmart's valuation appears to be reasonable, with the company's PE and PS ratios in line with the S&P 500 index. Walmart's dividend yield is attractive, and the company has a strong history of increasing its dividend over time. However, the company's PB ratio is relatively high, suggesting that the market is willing to pay a premium for Walmart's assets. Walmart operates in a highly competitive retail environment, with competitors ranging from traditional brick-and-mortar retailers to e-commerce giants. Some of Walmart's key competitors include Amazon, Target, and Costco. Amazon is Walmart's biggest competitor in the e-commerce space. The company has a dominant position in online retail, with a market capitalization of over $1.8 trillion. Amazon's been investing heavily in its logistics capabilities, including building out its own delivery network and expanding its fulfillment center network. Target is another major competitor to Walmart. The company operates over 1,900 stores in the United States and has been investing heavily in its online capabilities in recent years. Target's also been expanding its grocery offerings, which could make it a more formidable competitor to Walmart in the future. Costco is a warehouse club retailer that competes with Walmart's Sam's Club division. Costco has a loyal customer base and has been successful in growing its membership program, which generates a significant portion of its revenue. Overall, Walmart faces significant competition in both the traditional retail and e-commerce spaces. However, the company's vast store network and strong e-commerce capabilities should help it to continue to compete effectively in the years ahead. Walmart stock has performed well in recent years, driven by the company's strong financial performance and growth in its e-commerce business. The company's valuation appears to be reasonable, with an attractive dividend yield and PE ratio. However, Walmart operates in a highly competitive environment, and the company will need to continue to invest in its stores and online capabilities to remain competitive. Overall, Walmart's a well-run company with a strong brand and a history of delivering value to shareholders. We really hope you like this video. If there's anything we can do better, please leave a comment and tell us. Otherwise, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next investing video. Have a great day.